Morning everyone. Today we will discuss about modes of nutrition. Yes, modes of nutrition. So first of all we will understand what is nutrition. Every living organisms need food, and the food eaten by the living organisms first of all broken down into simpler substances. The food eaten by the living organisms broken down into simpler substances to get the energy and for various life activities. So this process of intaking of food and utilizing it to get the energy and to perform different life activities is known as nutrition. Yes, the process of intaking the food, digestion of the food and utilizing of the food for different activities to get energy, for proper growth and nutrients of the body, to protect our body from different disease. This complete procedure is known as nutrition. There are two modes of nutrition. There are two modes of nutrition. First is autotrophic mode of nutrition and next one is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So autotrophic mode of nutrition, you can auto means self, and trophs means nutrition. So when the organism can make their own food themselves by with the help of some inorganic substances like the carbon dioxide, water and minerals, that process, that type of nutrition is known as the autotrophic mode of nutrition, and the organisms, the living beings which show the autotrophic modes of nutrition are known as autotrophs, and green plants are in this category. Autotrophs, green plants are in this category, means green plants are autotrophs because they can synthesize their own food with the help of some inorganic compounds like carbon dioxide, water and minerals. Okay, now next type of mode is the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Hetero means other, and trophs means nutrition. So in which type of nutrition living organisms are not able to synthesize their own food. For their food they depend either on the plants or on the animals which eat the plants. So directly or indirectly heterotrophs depend on the autotrophs. So on the basis of the preparing of food, there are two modes of nutrition: autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about nutrition in plants. Nutrition in plants. Every living organism need food. Every living organisms need food to get energy, for proper growth and maintenance of the body, as to protect their body from different diseases. And this food we get this food we eat to get different nutrients, and these nutrients provide us energy, help in proper growth and maintenance of our body, and protect our body from different diseases. The nutrients present in our food are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. So these are the different nutrients present in our food which help our body to do different activities. Carbohydrates and fats are known as energy giving food. Proteins are known as body building food. It is must for proper growth and maintenance of our body, and vitamins and minerals are referred as protective food as they protect our body from different diseases. So all the human beings need this food to get the energy for the proper growth and maintenance of our body cell, to protect ourselves from different diseases, and for various life activities, okay. So these food what we will eat, or every living organisms eat, first of all this food converted into simpler substances. And these simpler substances are utilized by the body for different activities. So this complete procedure in which our body, in taking of the food, converting of food into simpler substances, that is utilized by the body for different life process activities, this complete procedure is known as nutrition. So nutrition, when we talking about nutrition, there are two types of nutrition. First is your autotrophic and next is your heterotrophic. Autotrophic mode of nutrition means like the green plants, which can make their own food. This type of nutrition is known as the autotrophic mode of nutrition. And heterotrophic mode of nutrition, like the human beings, like the animals, which depend on plants directly or indirectly for their food, because they can't make their food themselves. So the green plants can make their food themselves, and that's why they have autotrophic mode of nutrition. And animals and human beings, they are not able to make their food, they are adopt the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Now we will discuss about the process of photosynthesis. Photo means light. Photo represents light, and synthesis means to make or for the nutrition. So when the food is made in the presence of sunlight, that process is known as photosynthesis. Green plants prepare their food. Green plants or autotrophs, they prepare their food through the process of photosynthesis. And that's why green leaves of a plant are considered as food factory or the kitchen of a plant. They are considered as food factory or kitchen of a plant. These leaves are green in color due to the presence of a green color pigment. Chlorophyll. Due to the presence of this green color pigment, leaves are green in color, and the main function of this chlorophyll or this green color pigment is to trap the sunlight. And this sunlight is used by the green leaves for the process of photosynthesis. Along with sunlight, leaves also need carbon dioxide, water and minerals. Water and minerals are absorbed by the roots of the plants. Water and minerals are absorbed by the roots of the plant and conducted by the stem to the leaves. Carbon dioxide is absorbed by the atmosphere with the help of small openings on the lower surface of the leaves, that is stomata. So with the help of stomata, the leaves take in the carbon dioxide gas, and water and minerals absorbed by the roots and conducted by the stem to different parts of the plant as well as to the leaves. Now with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and minerals, green leaves prepare the food for the plants.